हॅलो स्टुडंट्स, वेलकम बॅक टू माय चॅनल. आय एम सायली जाधव आणि आज आपण घेणार आहोत एमपीएससी ड्रग इन्स्पेक्टर 2016 चा सॉल्व्ड क्वेश्चन पेपर. एमपीएससी ला नवीन प्रश्न कमी आणि स्मार्ट रिपीट जास्त आवडतो आणि तेच आपण एक्सप्लोर करणार आहोत. तर चला तर मग स्टार्ट करूयात. क्वेश्चन पेपर 2016 प्रीवियस इयर क्वेश्चन पेपर ऑफ MPSC Drug Inspector 2016. So chalo, without any further ado, let's get started. Now, question number 1. HIV/AIDS is diagnosed by some specific test. Identify which among the following tests are used. 1. ELISA. B. DNA PCR by amplification. 3. Western blot. And 4. All of the above. And the correct answer is 4, all of the above. का 4 हे करेक्ट आन्सर आहे? आपल्याला फाइंड आउट करायचंय HIV एड्स कशाने डायग्नोज करतो, स्पेसिफिक टेस्टनी. पण याच्यासाठी या तिन्ही टेस्ट केल्या जातात. एलिसा, DNA PCR by amplification and Western blot. ELISA is typically for the initial screening test. DNA PCR is used for a confirmation. And last, Western blot is historically used for confirmatory test. म्हणून याचा आन्सर आहे all of the above. Now, question number 2. What is the antidote for lead poisoning? 1. Dimercaptosuccinic acid. 2. Physostigmine. 3. Famotidine. 4. Atropine. The correct answer is 1. DMSA, dimercaptosuccinic acid. It is a chelating agent used as an antidote for heavy metal poisoning, including lead poisoning. Next question, question number 3. Which of the following is not tocolytic? Not दिलेलं आहे. बऱ्याच वेळा आपण विसरून जातो. Which of the following drug is not tocolytic? 1. Ritodorine. 2. Magnesium sulfate. 3. Nifedipine. And 4. Ergotamine. And the correct answer is 4. Ergotamine. Ritodorine, magnesium sulfate, and nifedipine are all tocolytic drugs used to suppress premature labor. Ergotamine as a ergot alkaloid used to treat migraine. That's why the correct answer is ergotamine. These all are tocolytic. Question number 4. Which of the following NSAIDs is not propionic acid derivative? 1. Ibuprofen. 2. Naproxen. 3. Oxaprazole. And 4. Piroxicum. And the correct answer is 4. Piroxicum. Ibuprofen, naproxen and oxaprine all are NSAIDs आणि यातलं फक्त पिरोक्झिकॅमच NSAID नाही. Question number 5. Which anticoagulant is produced by mast cells and basophils? 1. Heparin. 2. Prostaglandin. 3. Histidine. And 4. Vitamin K. And the correct answer is heparin. Heparin is naturally occurring anticoagulant produced by mast cells and basophils. Now, question number 6. Under which rule of Drug and Cosmetic Act 1940 and 1945 licenses for a blood bank are issued? 1. 122G. 2. 122A. 3. 160B. And 4. 150B. And the correct answer is 1. 122G. Licenses for blood bank and processing of human blood are issued under Rule 122G of Drug and Cosmetic Act 1940 and Rule 1945. Now next, match the following. आता असे क्वेश्चन्स असतात याच्यामध्ये करेक्ट आन्सर येत असेल तरच अटेम्प्ट करायचं, नाहीतर अटेम्प्ट करायचं नाही. आता हे इझी आहे, सो आपण अटेम्प्ट करू शकतो. ए इज थ्रोम्बोप्लास्टिन आणि हे कशाच्या रिलेटेड आहे? फॅक्टर 3 इज थ्रोम्बोप्लास्टिन. B is procanvertin. It is related to the factor 7. C is fibrinogen related to factor 1. And D is prothrombin related to factor 2. Now, A correct answer is 2. For B, correct answer is 1. For C, correct answer is 4. And for D, correct answer is 3. आता आपल्याला असा ऑप्शन बघायचा आहे, which is, that is correct answer is 1. Now, question number 8. Basophils originates in 1. Megakaryoblast, 2. Monoblast, 3. Megakaryocytes, and 4. Myeloblast. And the correct answer is 4. Myeloblast. आपल्याला फक्त विचारलेलं आहे की बेसोफिल्स कुठून ओरिजिनेट होतात and the correct answer is 4. Myeloblast. Question number 9. Match the following anti-cancer drugs with their cell cycle effect. Question number 9. Match the following anti-cancer drugs with their cell cycle effect. Now, what we have? Cytarabine, etoposide, vincristine, and blemocyne. And here we have G1S phase, M phase, G2M phase, and S phase. Now, for A, the correct answer is 4. For B, the correct answer is 1. For C, the correct answer is 2. And for D, the correct answer is 3. Now, the correct option here is A. Question number 10. Which of the following is an ester and short-acting local anesthetic? A. Tetracaine, 2. Dibucaine, 3. Lidocaine, and 4. Procaine. And the correct answer is 4. Procaine. Why? Because procaine is classified an ester type local anesthetic. It is relatively short duration of action due to the rapid hydrolysis of plasma. Question number 11. Antifungal antibiotic amphotericin B is obtained from 1. Streptomyces pimprina, 2. Penicillium grifosolvin, 3. Streptomyces nodosus, and 4. Both 1 and 3. And the correct answer is 3. Streptomyces nodosus. Amphotericin B is a poline antifungal antibiotic which is produced by bacterium Streptomyces nodosus. Which of the following drugs is not an enzyme inducer? याच्यातलं कोणतं ड्रग एन्झाईम इंड्युसर नाहीये? 1. Phenobarbital, 2. Phenytoin, 3. Rifampin, and 4. Cimetidine. And the correct answer is 4. Cimetidine. Why? Because all of 3 are inducers of hepatic cytochrome, because all of 3 are well-known inducers of hepatic cytochrome P450 enzyme. Question number 13. One of the following drug is most widely used as local anesthetic for infiltration, regional nerve block, epidural, and subarachnoid anesthesia. It is also commonly used as topical anesthesia. And the correct answer is 3. Lidocaine is most widely used anesthetic for broad range of procedure due to the rapid onset of action and versatility in administration methods, including topical application. या 4 मधलं म्हणजे कोकेन हायड्रोक्लोराइड, प्रोकेन हायड्रोक्लोराइड, लिडोकेन हायड्रोक्लोराइड and मेपिवॅकेन हायड्रोक्लोराइड मधलं सर्वात जास्त यूज होणारे लोकल अनेस्थेटिक आहे लिडोकेन हायड्रोक्लोराइड. Clear? Question number 14. Which of the following is antiretroviral drugs belong to non-nucleoside reverse transcriptase inhibitors category? 1. Nevirapine, 2. Indinavir, 3. Ritonavir, and 4. Stavivudine. And the correct answer is 1. Nevirapine. It is a non-nucleoside reverse transcriptase inhibitor also called as NNRTI, used in a treatment of HIV. Question number 15. Which of the following drugs induce delta amino levulinic acid synthetase? 1. Phenobarbital, 2. Ethanol, 3. Paraldehyde, and 4. Diazepam. And the correct answer is 1. Phenobarbital. It is a potent inducer for delta amino levulinic acid synthetase. Question number 16. Which of the following drug is not component of fixed dose combination used in RNTCP for tuberculosis? 1. Rifampicin, 2. Moxifloxacin, 3. Isoniazid, 4. Ethambutol, and the correct answer is 2 and 2 moxifloxacin. Ka moxifloxacin? Because it is a fluoroquinolone antibiotic and it is generally not competent of a standard dose combination. म्हणून करेक्ट आन्सर आहे कारण हे नॉट कम्पेटंट विचारलेलं आहे. Question number 17. Microorganism responsible for sexually transmitted diseases, STD, which causes an eye infection that is a primary cause of blindness worldwide. 1. Neisseria gonorrhoeae, 2. Treponema pallidum, 3. Chlamydia trachomatis, and 4. Candida albicans. And the correct answer is 3. Chlamydia trachomatis, because this causes sexually transmitted infection. Chlamydia and specific serovirus are responsible for trachoma आणि जे नंतर लीड करतं तुमचं इन्फेक्शन कॉज ऑफ ब्लाइंडनेस worldwide. Clear? Question number 18. On which chromosome the genes for a 3 chains of fibrinogen are found? काय विचारलंय? कोणत्या क्रोमोझोमवर genes of 3 chromosome of fibrinogen सापडतात? Chromosome 1, chromosome 3, chromosome 4, and chromosome 6. And the correct answer is 3, chromosome 4. Why? Because the genes for a 3 chains of fibrinogen like alpha, beta, gamma are clustered together on chromosome 4. That's why the correct answer is chromosome 4. Now question number 19. Whole human blood is a mixture of blood and anticoagulant solution and contains not less than 1. 8.7 weight by volume of hemoglobin, 2. 2.3% weight by volume of hemoglobin, 3. 9.7% weight by volume of hemoglobin, and 4. 9.7% weight by volume of hemoglobin. And the correct answer is 3. 9.07% of weight by volume of hemoglobin. The concentration of hemoglobin in whole human blood has been mixed with anticoagulant solution आणि ते लेस असतं 9.07 weight by volume hemoglobin पेक्षा. Clear? Next question. Match the following. आता काय आहे याच्यामध्ये? नॉरएड्रेनालिन reuptake inhibitor, serotonin reuptake inhibitor, monoamine oxidase inhibitor, and D-psychomotor stimulant. आता याचा करेक्ट मॅच काय आहे? For noradrenaline reuptake inhibitor, the correct match is amitriptyline. For B, the correct match is 1. For C, the correct match is 2. And for D, the correct match is 3. ह्याचं आणि याचं कोरिलेशन काय आहे हे मला कमेंट करून सांगा. आता असं आपल्याला काय सापडतंय? Our correct option is first. Now, question number 21. The relative nephrotoxicity among the non-steroidal non-inflammatory drug is one of the following. आपल्याला सिक्वेन्स लावायचा आहे. Nephrotoxicity among the non-steroidal and non-anti-inflammatory drugs. आता याच्यामध्ये करेक्ट आन्सर आपलं काय आहे? थर्ड इज अवर करेक्ट ऑप्शन. इंडोमेथॅसिन greater than phenoprofen and greater than ibuprofen. आता असं का? बिकॉज आयब्युप्रोफेनचं सर्वात कमी रिस्क आहे रिनल ॲडव्हर्स इफेक्ट अमॉंग द NSAIDs. त्याच्यानंतर फेनोप्रोफेन हॅज असोसिएटेड विथ द केसेस ऑफ interstitial nephritis and indomethacin is generally considered to have high potential for side effect compared to other drug. हे NSAID आहे याच्यात सर्वात कमी रिस्क आहे, याच्यात मीडियम रिस्क आहे आणि यामध्ये सर्वात जास्त साइड इफेक्ट आहे. सो हे ग्रेटरच आहे रिनल ॲडव्हर्स इफेक्ट द्यायला, म्हणूनच नेफ्रोटॉक्सिसिटी विचारलेलं आहे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 22. Which of the following antifungal drugs used in only topically? तर टॉपिकली कोणतं अँटीफंगल ड्रग यूज होतं? फर्स्ट ऑप्शन आहे ग्रिसेफिल्विन, सेकंड ऑप्शन आहे क्लोट्रिमॅझोल, थर्ड ऑप्शन आहे एम्फोटेरिसिन बी and fourth option आहे nystatin. And the correct option is 4, nystatin. It is a propylene antifungal medication used to treat candida infections. It is mostly used tropically आणि कधी कधीच ओरली सुद्धा देतात, पण या तिन्ही ऑप्शन मधला सर्वात करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज नायस्टॅटिन. ओरली खूप रेअरली दिला जातो. क्वेश्चन नंबर 23. व्हॉट इज accepted daily intake in mg per kg per day? Now, question number 23. What is accepted daily intake in mg per kg per day of aldrin? Options are 0.005, 2 0.008, 3 0.001 and 4 0.005. And the correct answer is 3 0.001. Question number 24. Which of the following is non-opioids antitussive? 1. Codeine, 2. ethyl morphine, 3. dextromethorphan, and 4. folcodeine. And the correct answer is 3. dextromethorphan. It is a common non-opioid cough suppressant, and codeine and other options are opioid derived antitussive. These all three are opioid derived antitussive आणि तुमचं हे नॉन opioid derived आहे. Question number 25. Match the columns. A. phenothiazines, B. a typical antipsychotic, C. butyrophenol and D. lithium. आणि यांचं आपल्याला करेक्ट मॅच करून खाली ऑप्शन चूज करायचे आहे. Now, phenothiazines are typically psychotics that primary were a blockage of D2 receptor. आता इथे कुठे दिसतंय? फोर्थ ऑप्शन इज blockage of D2 receptor. आता हे जे आहे a typical antipsychotics, these are primarily involved in blockade of 5-HT2A receptor. C आहे butyrophenol. It is typically primary act via D2 receptor blockade, but option they can be matched with M receptor blockade. And D. lithium suppresses the inositol signaling. The correct answer is third option. Now, question number 26. Which of the following drug is uterine relaxant? कोणते ड्रग खालीलपैकी कोणता ड्रग युटेरिन रिलॅक्संट आहे? 1. ऑक्सिटोसिन, 2. ergonovine, 3. ritodrine and 4. quinine. And the correct answer is 3. ritodrine. Why? Because ritodrine हा ना beta-2 adrenergic agonist आहे आणि stop premature labor करतं हे आणि relaxing the uterine smooth muscles. That's why. And oxytocin and ergonovine are uterine stimulants. हे दोघं जण जे आहेत ते uterine stimulants आहेत, but uterine relaxant आहे ritodrine. Question number 27. The selective angiotensin 2 receptor blocker used as an antihypertensive drug is one of the following. 1. captopril, 2. verapamil HCl, 3. amiloride and 4. losartan. And the correct answer is 4. losartan because it is a selective angiotensin 2 receptor blocker. Question number 28. What is the consequences of interaction between 6-mercaptopurine and allopurinol. 1 dose of 6 mercaptopurine is reduced, 2 no effect, 3 is dose is increased, and 4 is dose of allopurinol is increased. And the correct option is 1 dose of 6 mercaptopurine is reduced. Why? Because जो हा सेकंड ड्रग आहे तो इनिबिट करतो झॅन्थिन ऑक्सिडेज एन्झाईम रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर मेटाबॉलिझम ऑफ 6 MP. 6 MP म्हणजे हे 6 MP जे एन्झाईम आहे त्याला रिड्यूस करतं, त्याच्यामुळे हा डोस रिड्यूस होतो. दिस इज द कॉन्सिक्वेन्सेस बिटवीन these two drugs. Question number 29. For donors experiencing plasmapheresis, aspirin should not be taken dash days prior to the donation. And the correct answer is 3. Why? Because donors undergoing plasmapheresis should not take aspirin for 3 days, that is 72 hours prior to the donation, because aspirin inhibits the platelet function. Aspirin मुळे प्लेटलेट फंक्शन इनहिबिट होतं, म्हणून असं ऑलरेडी सांगितलं जातं की जे कोणी डोनेट करणार आहेत त्यांनी 72 hours मध्ये aspirin घेऊ नये. क्लिअर? नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 30. Which of the following oral contraceptive preparations contain estrogen and progestin is fixed doses for all the days of treatment cycle? खालील मधलं कोणतं ओरल कॉन्ट्रासेप्टिव्ह प्रिपरेशन आहे ज्याच्यामध्ये इस्ट्रोजेन आहे आणि प्रोजेस्टिन आहे फिक्स डोज साठी, जो सगळ्या डेज मध्ये होतं फॉर अ ट्रीटमेंट सायकल? 1 मिनी पिल, 2 emergency pill, 3 combined pill, and 4 phased pill. And the correct answer is 3 combined pill. Combined oral contraceptive pills contains fixed dose of estrogen and progestin. Mini pill contain only progestin. आणि अजून काय आहे तुमचं? emergency pill one time यूज साठी आहे आणि phased pill varying hormone doses. म्हणून करेक्ट आन्सर तुमचा आहे कंबाईंड पिल, ज्याच्यामध्ये फिक्स डोसेस आहेत इस्ट्रोजेन आणि प्रोजेस्टिन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 31. During and after an attack of infectious mononucleosis, an agglutinin for a sheep red blood cells appears in a serum and is of diagnostic significance. The agglutinin is demonstrated in 1 Bose-Waller test, 2 differential sheep cell agglutination test, 3 Paul-Bunel test, and 4 Mg agglutination test. And the correct answer is 3 Paul-Bunel test. का बरं याचं आन्सर हे आहे? बिकॉज हे हिस्टॉरिकली यूज केलंय ऍज अ डायग्नोस्टिक टेस्ट फॉर अ इन्फेक्शियस मोनोक्लिओसिस, अटॅक ऑफ इन्फेक्शियस mononucleosis, which detect heteropyl antibodies which agglutinates sheep red blood cells. Question number 32. Media that enhances the growth of particular type of bacterium does not enhance and even may inhibit other type of organisms are called as differential, selective, maintenance media, or assay media. And the correct answer is second, selective media. कारण सिलेक्टिव्ह मीडियामध्ये आपल्याला जे ऑर्गॅनिझम्स ग्रो करायचे आहेत त्यांच्याच रिलेटेड आपण त्याच्यामध्ये इन्ग्रेडियंट्स ऍड करतो. आणि डिफरन्शियल मीडिया डिस्टिंग्विश वेगवेगळ्या टाईपचे बॅक्टेरिया त्याच्यामध्ये होऊ शकतात. ऍज पर रिक्वायरमेंटच आपण बनवतो सिलेक्टिव्ह मीडिया. क्लिअर आहे? क्वेश्चन नंबर 33. In the laboratory diagnosis of rabies, impressions, smears of a brain are stained by Saylor's technique to demonstrate the inclusion bodies called as 1 Negri bodies, 2 Cowdry type A bodies, 3 Cowdry type B bodies, and 4 Bollinger bodies. And the correct answer is 1 Negri bodies. Why? In a laboratory diagnosis of rabies, impression smears of the brain are stained by Seller's technique to demonstrate the characteristic inclusions of body, which is called as Negri body. These inclusions are found in cytoplasm of a nerve cells and pathogenomic of rabies infection. Question number 34. Lowbury and Lilly's medium and Wills and Hobbs medium are used for cultivation of 1. Bordetella, 2. Clostridia, 3. Bacilla, and 4. Corynebacteria. And the correct answer is 2. Now question number 35. Alcohol in water, 60 to 85%, is a good disinfectant for medical instruments and laboratory surfaces. It destroyed microorganisms present thereby 1. Solubilizing lipids and protein denaturation, 2. Disrupting cell membrane, 3. Combining with SH group, 4. Acting as a strong alkylating agent. And the correct answer is 1. Solubilizing lipids and protein denaturation. Question number 36. pH indicator or dye presents the Christensen's urea media is neutral red, anhydride indicator, methyl red, and phenol red. The correct answer is phenol red. It changes color from yellow to pink in presence of ammonium produced by urease positive organisms, which including positive results. Now, question number 37. Which of the following statements are true? Lye test reagent is obtained from horseshoe cap. Lye test is more sensitive than pyrogen test. Lye test only detects endotoxins of gram-negative bacteria, and Lye test can be used for radiopharmaceuticals. And the correct answer is 3. A, B, C, D. All our statements are true related to the Lye test. It is obtained from horseshoe crab. It is more sensitive than pyrogen test, correct. Only detects endotoxin gram-negative bacteria, correct. Lye test can be used for radiopharmaceuticals, correct. Question number 38. Antimicrobial agent showing structural similarity to para-aminobenzoic acid and which is bacteriostatic is A. Penicillin, B. Rifamycin, C. Isoniazid, D. Sulfonamides. Which of the statements given above is correct? First का है A only, 2 आहे A and B only, 3 A, B, C all and D only. काय विचारले अँटीमायक्रोबियल ड्रग्स कोणते आहेत ज्यांची स्ट्रक्चरल सिमिलॅरिटी आहे टू पॅरा अमिनोबेन्झोइक ऍसिड विच इज अ बॅक्टेरियोस्टॅटिक. And the correct answer is 4, D only, because फक्त sulfonamides are structurally similar to the para-aminobenzoic acid. Question number 39. Match the following. आता तुम्ही जर बघितले तर असे भरपूर आले आहेत आतापर्यंत. दिस वन इज 4. हे बायो ऍसिड्स टेस्ट ऑर्गॅनिझम्स आहेत आणि हे व्हायटॅमिन्स आहेत. त्याचं कोरिलेशन लावायचं आणि खाली कोड्स करायचे. लॅक्टोबॅसिलस कॅसे हे vitamins related to आहे biotin. Lactobacillus leishmani is related to cyanocobalamin. C is related to 4 and last D is related to 2. Fourth one is the correct answer. Question number 40. Pyrogen test is designed to limit the risk of febrile reaction following the parenteral administration of drug. It is intended to use liquid products that can be tolerated by the test dash in the dose of 10 ml per kg injected intravenously. 1 rabbit, 2 white mice, 3 guinea pig, and 4 hamster. And the correct answer is 1 rabbit. Question number 41. Collodion filters are used for isolation of 1 bacteria, 2 algae, 3 molds, and 4 viruses. And the correct answer is 4 viruses because collodion filters have a very fine pores and the size of isolation of viruses. Now, question number 42. Diagnosis of Helicobacter pylori can be done by 1. Urea breath test, 2. Copper breath test, sodium breath test, and 4. Potassium breath test. And the correct answer is 1. Urea breath test. Next question, question number 43. Which of the following is used serodiagnose syphilis? 1. Venereal Disease Research Laboratory, Vidal test, Serene test, and E-test. And the correct answer is 1. VDRLT, that is Venereal Disease Research Laboratory test. It is a non-treponemial serological screening test for syphilis. Question number 44. Typical BOD values of a domestic wastewater, including sewage, are approximately dash units: 1 to 100 BOD, 100 BOD, 500 BOD, 300 BOD, and the correct answer is 1, 200 BOD. 45. The major causes of common cold are: 1. Influenza viruses, 2. Adenoviruses, 3. Rhinoviruses, and 4. None of the above. And the correct answer is 3. Rhinoviruses. क्वेश्चन नंबर 46. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट अबाउट अँटीबायोटिक्स करेक्ट आहेत की नाही आणि मग त्याचं ग्रुपिझम करून खाली आन्सर ऑप्शन्स दिलेत. ए. ओरल conferred on cephalosporin by esterification of 3 carboxylic acid group. This is correct. Second is acyl uridopenicillins are stable under the acidic condition. No, they are not stable at acidic conditions. They are stable on basic conditions. Aminoglycosides have highly substituted 1,3 diaminocyclohexane central ring, which is correct. The inologides tricarbonyl methane system at C1 and C3 in the tetracycline structure need not intact for a good activity, which is incorrect because it is intact फॉर गुड ऍक्टिव्हिटी. नॉट दिलेला आहे त्यांनी. सो ए आणि सी करेक्ट आहे. हे आणि हे आहे सेकंड मध्ये. सो ऑप्शन नंबर सेकंड इज करेक्ट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 47. शेड्यूल एम refers to GMP and requirements of factory premises equipment for manufacturer of drug, to standard surgical dressing, life period of drugs, and 4 is standard of cosmetic. ज्यांनी पण आपलं लेक्चर बघितले ते लगेच आन्सर करू शकतील, which is 1. GMP and the requirements of factory premises of equipment for manufacturing of drug. Now, question number 48. Who is the chairman of Drug Technical Advisory Body Board? Question number 48. Who is the chairman of Drug Technical Advisory Body, DTAB? A. Drug Control of India. B. The President PCI. 3. The President Medical Council of India. 4. The Director General of Health Services. हा पण एवढ्या वेळा केलाय की त्याचा आन्सर यायलाच पाहिजे. मला काय करायचंय? करेक्ट आन्सर ऑफ 48. जे कोणी मला करेक्ट आन्सर देणार आहे त्याला मी नेक्स्ट व्हिडिओमध्ये अप्रिशिएट करणार. क्वेश्चन नंबर 49. The benzalkonium chloride, which is used as an antimicrobial preservative, can be used in a what concentration? 1. 0.002 to 0.002%, 2. 0.1%, 15%, and 30%. And the correct option is 1. 0.002 to 0.002%. Because benzalkonium chloride used as an antimicrobial preservative, it is effective in a low concentration आणि टिपिकली इथं सर्वात लो कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन आपण बघितलं तर ते आहे ऑप्शन 1. क्वेश्चन नंबर 50. Practical application of recombinant DNA technology is the production of A. Interferon, B. Insulin, C. Growth hormone, and D. Phospholipid. Which of the above options are correct? Question number 50. The practical application of recombinant DNA technology is in the production of A. Interferon, B. Insulin, C. Growth hormone, and D. Phospholipid. Now, which of the above is correct option? Practical application of recombinant DNA technology it is used in a production of interferon, insulin, and growth hormone. Phospholipid साठी ते यूज होत नाही. सो खाली जर बघितलं तर करेक्ट आन्सर इज 4. ABC आर करेक्ट ओनली. तर स्टुडंट इथे आपण पार्ट 1 फिनिश केला आहे. नेक्स्ट याच्यामध्ये उरलेले 50 MCQs येणार आहेत. सॉरी फॉर माय व्हॉइस, थोडं खराब झाल्यामुळे आपले लेक्चर्स येत नाहीयेत. पण डोंट वरी, नेक्स्ट वीक पासून आपले रेग्युलर लेक्चर्स येतील. तोपर्यंत तुम्ही आपल्या चॅनलवरती जे रोज MCQs येतात ते सॉल्व्ह करायचं ट्राय करा. त्याच्याने तुम्हाला भरपूर हेल्प होणार आहे. सो ट्राय टू सॉल्व्ह दॅट क्वेश्चन्स. आणि हे 50 क्वेश्चन्स आपण आज घेतलेले आहेत. नेक्स्ट 50 क्वेश्चन्स फ्रायडेला येतील. सो डोंट वरी, स्टे ट्यून. आणि हा व्हिडिओ जर तुम्हाला आवडला असेल तर लाईक, शेअर अँड सबस्क्राईब टू द चॅनल. तो चलो, सी यू इन अ नेक्स्ट लेक्चर. टिल नाउ, ऑल द बेस्ट अँड स्टडी हार्ड. बाय.